some of the key aspects in the teamwork experience were the disposition to help teammates, so always trying to help the other teammates with problems they encountered, the punctuality with the deadlines established inside the group, so leaving the work done before the actual deadline to be able to check it before delivering it, and also the respect and cordiality during meetings, so always there has been always a nice and respectful environment during working hours, and finally a good organization and fair distribution of the workload, so there were a good great team planning to be able to have a nice structured project where everyone contributed.
Aspect that I value of others' teammate work was the high quality work. All deliverables adhere to high standards, ensuring exceptional quality on the final product. As well, the challenges resolution because our team active assist with deliverable challenge even when they are outside of their primary responsibilities. And the last one is the proactivity. Every team member completes their task independently, avoiding unnecessary burdens on others' teammates.
Firstly, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization, food waste accounts for roughly 8% of global greenhouse emissions. This is equivalent to the emissions of the entire global transport sector combined. In second place, when food is disposed in landfills, it decomposes anaerobically without oxygen, producing methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Methane from food waste in landfills contributes about 3.3 billion metric tons of CO2 equivalent annually. In third place, the carbon footprint of food waste is staggering. For example, the US Environmental Protection Agency reports that in the US alone, food waste accounts for approximately 25% of the total waste in landfills, which translates to nearly 25 million metric tons of CO2 emissions annually. Lastly, studies suggest that wasting a single kilogram of food can result in the release of around 2.5 kilograms of CO2 equivalent emissions. This number varies depending on the type of food, with meat and dairy having the highest carbon footprints.
Food waste is one of the major contributors to the methane emissions in the atmosphere, as the waste reaches 1.3 billion tons per year. This is a problem because that food waste ends up in the landfills and it decomposes anaerobically, it means without oxygen, and it releases methane to the environment. This is a problem because the methane emissions are 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat in the atmosphere. So with foodies, we will be helping alleviate this problem.
We are an ethically aware application that focuses on users' data protection. We store sensible information directly in the user's phone to avoid security issues and increase privacy. And the information we send to the cloud is all safely encrypted and stored in Google's data centers.
Foodies is more than just an app. It's a tool for positive societal change. By addressing critical challenges like food insecurity and waste, it creates tangible benefits for people, businesses, and the environment. Nearly one third of Colombian households face food insecurity. To tackle this, Foodies provides affordable, high quality meals, making surplus food accessible to those who need it most. Additionally, by rescuing surplus food, Foodies actively reduces waste and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. This contributes to a more sustainable Bogota and aligns with global sustainability goals. Moreover, Foodie supports restaurants and bakeries by helping them recover costs from surplus food. This turns potential losses into revenue and strengthens the economic resilience of local businesses. Finally, Foodies connects people and businesses, fostering collaboration and eco-friendly habits. By doing so, it builds a stronger and more sustainable community.